You may know Estes Services for home comfort, but did you know they also provide commercial HVAC services as well? Joining us today is Dion Moore, commercial comfort specialist with Estes Services. Dion, welcome. So tell us about how you help businesses and business owners.
Estes has a commercial department, and we service system replacements, repairs, maintenance, and building automation.
And what kind of industries do you serve?
We serve all kinds of businesses. A couple examples are churches, medical offices, and manufacturing plants.
Dion, energy efficiency seems to be so important these days. How do you help business owners with that?
Energy efficiency is very important with Estes. What we like to do is we like to offer high energy efficient units, builder controls, variable speed motors, and also build-up automation. And the reason why build-up automation is so important, business owners, they can actually control the temperatures in their business while they're not on site, whether they're on vacation or at home.
And let's talk about maintenance for these systems. Why is that so important to keep up with?
In my opinion, maintenance is very critical because it increases the lifespan of HVAC systems, and it also stops system breakdowns. Because when you least expect it, that's when units like to break down, whether it's hot outside or whether it's cold outside.
So Dion, for business owners that might have a problem or might need some services, where can they learn more?
They can learn more at estesair.com. We offer comprehensive maintenance package. We do a free system estimate. We can come out for free and sit down with the business owner just to see exactly what they need.
Thank you so much for being here. Great information.
Thank you.